Alright, so here's your option watch list from March 3rd. This is what I'm watching. Not a financial advisor, all that kind of good stuff. This is just what I'm watching. RCL, played yesterday. I have a position. I made calls. And I'd like it to continue. We were up as much as $2 pre-market, or close to $2, so I feel pretty good about it. FISV, really wanted to get back over the 116.78 range. We do that. We can push back up to all-time highs. Today's a good day to watch. Fisker, I got put bias here. We can start to see these wicks build. You get down below here, you get into here. Anywhere, it starts to get below 27.46, we really want to start looking for puts. It's at 28.11 right now, so 28.21, pretty much where we're at yesterday, so it's got a good chance to come down. GME, everybody's favorite. Today, I'm looking for puts, anywhere below 112. We can definitely probably see 91. That's me. Groupon, right? Alright, so Groupon is a bit of a beast because we're at all-time highs, right? So you really want to see this break with volume. You break this with volume, she's going to continue on. Just be careful, you're up here, so all these people might want to get out, so just be careful. But considering all this volume and it still was strong, I think you got a good shot. Mar is probably the one I feel the best about today. Marriott, getting above 150, we can get back up there. That's it. Have fun.